Hello and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Today, I want to share something very important with you. Many learners believe that to learn English, they need to study for hours and hours, memorize long vocabulary lists, and work harder than everyone else. But here's the truth. Learning English is not about how hard you study. It's about how smart you study. Think about it. Have you ever spent a whole evening reading grammar rules, only to forget them the next day? Or try to memorize 50 new words, but couldn't use them in conversation? That's because effort alone is not enough. You need the right methods. In this lesson, study smarter, not harder. 7 secrets to learn English faster. I'm going to give you practical strategies that will save you time, reduce frustration, and help you make real progress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to focus your energy where it matters most. So, let's dive in. Secret 1. Focus on high-frequency vocabulary. The first secret is simple. Learn the words you will use most often. Many learners waste time trying to memorize difficult or rare words like photosynthesis or juxtaposition. But did you know that the 0 most common words in English cover about 80% of daily conversations? Example, words like go, come, want, need, make, think, these appear everywhere. Once you master them, you can understand and express most ideas. Keep a notebook of high-frequency words and phrases. Learn 10 new ones each week, but make sure you use them in sentences and conversations. Secret 2. Learn in chunks, not single words. Memorizing single words is slow and unnatural. Instead, learn chunks of language, groups of words that often go together. Example, instead of learning advice alone, learn the chunk, give advice or take advice. Instead of learning interested, learn I'm interested in. Chunks make your speaking more natural and save you time. Our practice. Write down useful phrases you hear in podcasts, movies, or conversations. Repeat them until they feel automatic. Secret 3. Use active listening. Many learners think that listening to music or TV in the background is enough. That's passive listening. To really improve, you need active listening. How to practice? 1. Listen to a short clip. 1-2 minutes. 2. Write down the main idea. 3. Listen again and notice new words or expressions. 4. Repeat sentences aloud to copy rhythm and pronunciation. This method trains both your listening and speaking at the same time. Secret 4. Speak every day, even to yourself. Here's the secret to fluency. You must speak every single day. Yes, even if you don't have a partner. How to practice alone? Narrate your day. I'm making coffee. I'm opening the window. Answer questions aloud. Imagine someone asks, what did you do yesterday? Answer out loud. Shadowing. Repeat after podcasts or YouTube videos, copying the speaker's intonation. Speaking daily, even for 5-10 minutes, will train your brain to think in English. Secret 5. Review smarter with spaced repetition. Do you ever learn something and then forget it the next day? The solution is spaced repetition. Instead of reviewing everything at once, review new vocabulary or grammar at intervals. After 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 2 weeks. Each review strengthens memory. Tools. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet, or make your own flashcards. Example, if you learn the word negotiate today, review it tomorrow, then again in 3 days, then again in a week. Soon it will stay in your long-term memory. Secret 6. Connect English to your life. Learning is faster when it feels relevant. Don't just study random textbook sentences. Learn words and phrases that connect to your own world. Example, if you work in IT, learn phrases like software update or server error. If you love cooking, learn chop the vegetables or preheat the oven. Write short daily journal entries about your own life in English. This makes the vocabulary meaningful and English to remember. Secret 7. Build consistency, not intensity. The final secret is perhaps the most important. Consistency beats intensity. It's better to study 20 minutes every day than 3 hours once a week. Why? Because daily practice keeps English fresh in your brain. Example: daily routine, 10 minutes. Listen to a podcast or video. 10 minutes. Write down new phrases. 10 minutes. Speak or record yourself using those phrases. That's it. Simple, consistent, and effective. Bonus tip: learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They are your best teacher. Each time you make a mistake and correct it, your brain remembers the right form much better than if you just memorized a rule. Practice. Keep a mistake journal. Write your mistakes and their corrections. Review them once a week, putting it all together. Let's quickly review the 7 secrets to learn English faster. 1. Focus on high-frequency vocabulary. 2. Learn chunks, not single words. 3. Use active listening. 4. Speak every day, even to yourself. 5. Review smarter with spaced repetition. 6. Connect English to your life. 7. Build consistency, not intensity. These strategies are simple, practical, and effective. They don't require hours of study, they just require smart study. Conclusion. So, remember this: studying harder is not the answer. Studying smarter is. If you apply these 7 secrets, your English will improve faster, you'll feel more confident, and you'll enjoy the process. Thank you so much for joining me today on Simple English Learning. If this lesson was helpful, please like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more podcasts and tips. And tell me in the comments, which of these 7 secrets will you start practicing today? Until next time, remember, learn smart, practice daily, and speak confidently.